be digging apart the stuffing box today. Should be 4 of these bad boys in here. Get those out. Spin off the tops. There's a little Teflon guide in there, so just be careful of that. Make sure that doesn't fall out. 2. There's 2 sets of cone packing. Pop that out. Little other plate in there. Alright, we got 2 sets of cold packing right here. Soft one, hard one. Always grease it before putting it in. Always have your slits across from each other, perpendicular, whatever. And then you want to put this on. Want to grease your seal here, so when you mount it, no leaks, no mess. All right, now that I got that figured out, make sure your holes are all lined up. Sat back in, nice and pretty. Nuts back on. And now we're going to put the top Kevlar pieces in. Same thing, we're just going to make sure we grease our packing. So we got an opening right there. Okay, we're going to use the DeWalt grease gun. It's sponsored by DeWalt here. Okay, so that goes in like that. I hit it with some more grease. Put my other piece of packing directly across from it, the slit. Push that in. Around the world. Now I'm going to go 90 degrees from that previous one, or 85 if you're a dick about it. And same thing on the other side. There we go, that's in. We put our top spacer ring in. I'm going to clean it off. Got to make sure that these aren't out of round. That goes on like that. We'll throw a little courtesy grease on our threads. Reach around there, and then we're going to go and put this bad boy on. Spin her on. And that's what we're looking at right there. We're going to go check the ball here right now, and I'll get back to you in a second. So here we are, just putting on the bullet. Had to clean up some of that scarring in the bottom of the polish rod from breaking it in and out because we don't use slip wrenches out here, friction wrenches, but that's all right. That's okay. I have a file. Okay, so once that's on, butt it up. Take my little buddy off here. I'll have it off by next video. Anyways, we're gonna put that polish with that stuffing box on now. All right, now we're gonna strip on that stuffing box. Here's that. All right, now it's time to check out the ball check. Spin this guy out here. My trusty rigid aluminum 24-inch pipe wrench. Hopefully this segment's brought to you by Rigid. Here we go. Look at that. That's what that looks like. Thin her up. We're looking for any impurities or any like rubbing marks from the polish rod. To me that looks pretty good. What do y'all think? I think so. I don't fucking care what you guys think. I'll put the thing back together. Well securement, well safety, well control. We could use a little bit of dope to our threads here. Picasso job there. Make sure that's nice and clean. Put that bad boy back in there. And that's gonna be it. Tighten her back up and that's it. Now you know everything. And we're going to secure the stuffing box on the polish rod with these Nail Grip vice grips. Brought to you by Nelgar. I mean, well control and well safety is their forte, clearly. What a great tool this is. Hopefully they sponsor me. Goes around the polish rod like so. Squeeze that on. Yeah, perfect. Now the stuffing box not going to slide down when we pick it up. You go stab it on. Perfect. Perfect setup. A leveling plates, load cell, pilot bushing, and a rotator.